is the project designing basically done? You place the panels like this. You set the azimuth. You set the tilt angle if required. You set the relative tilt, that is the tilt relative to the surface slope, that will be set. Then you'll see portrait or landscape. Ground clearance is basically the elevation from the ground surface that you can see here in the 3D. That is the elevation from the ground surface that you have to set for your solar panel. You set the tree height basically to whatever is the real life tree height situation. You come back and you set the other parts, like you can set the other tools here as well. Tools like, again, one more tree here. You can set a tree like this, like this. Increase the size of the trees like this, here like this. Then again, set the height. What is the tree height? Is around 30 meters? Yes, you set it around 30 meters. You set it around 30 meters. That's about the trees here. You go back, select the solar panel. Now I've selected to Vikram Solar 545. So you go here and select 545. 545 rated Vikram solar panels. You select here inverter will be microinverters. So I'm selecting Enphase IQ8P here. I select that, come back, pricing around 64.124 rupees per watt here. That is selected. Now I can see the different uh, calibrations that I can see. What is the energy calculations for this particular system here, so that we can view it in the summary. If you go, that says price inclusive of tax, what is the cash, etc. What is the system size, what is the annual energy production, what is the annual energy production, what is the energy consumption, what is the offset, we have obtained, etc. That can be seen here. How is the offset calculated? It's based on your energy, basically what is the consumption. So you go to energy system, you select the consumption. Now I've kept it around 5,000 units of annual consumption. So, and I've selected the different tariffs, etc. So select or create tariff. Now if I go and select here, that kilowatt has about 9 rupees. It's around 400 rupees. So it will be included anyway inside the cost. So now when you come here, you can see the consumption offset, the reduction, bill reduction, and just wait, is this energy. You go back to see the consumption to I go back The design basically, I can see a 92%. That is the build direction here. What is exported is exported to the grid after my initial consumption. So that is about that. Shade summary you can see here. Shade summary, it's around 10% of shading here observed here. Now I can go and generate the final output I get is basically this is the system lifetime. I'm keeping it as you can't keep it as 25 years, so I'm keeping it as 20 years. So I'll set the weather data file, etc. And this is the thing we have to generate the online or PDF proposal. This is how we generate essentially, and this can be sent to customer like this. We can send it. Thanks a lot, and this is how we generate a solar proposal for your needs.